Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited, so pumped to go over the tech that we're gonna be going over today. So my cousin recently bought me the RovyVon Aurora A3 Gen 4 keychain flashlight. So shout out to Chad, thank you so much. This thing is amazing. It's far exceeded any expectations that I could have had for it, but it's a perfect everyday carry flashlight. You don't even know that you have it on you. So perfect for your pocket. If you're going on a night hike, it's perfect to clip on the bill of your hat. It's just an awesome flashlight. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna test it out in my backyard when it's night, when it's kind of dark, to see just how powerful it is. Then we're gonna go into some of the things that I like about it, some of the things that I wish were a little bit better. But first, let's get into unboxing it. Let's open this box up and see what's in it. All right, guys, so we are gonna unbox this RovyVon flashlight. I can't tell you how excited I am to open this up for you. So this is the flashlight. It is super tiny, but that doesn't mean it is super powerful. It is incredibly powerful, and we will test that out tonight in the dark in our backyard. So this is a clip. It goes on. It is perfect. You can kind of see where it clips right there, but it is perfect for putting in your pocket. If you have a hat and you're going hiking in the dark, you can definitely do that. And just in here, we got a magnet here, and then we have the user manual and a couple other things that aren't super important, but yeah, it is just incredible. So let's get into it. So we are in my backyard right now, and it is pretty dark. The Apple iPhone Pro is pretty good at kind of doing night videos and night photos. So we are fighting against that, but also there is some light pollution from some neighbors and different stuff. So, but I think this is still going to give us a pretty good example of just the power of this flashlight and what it can do. So we're gonna go ahead and do the highest setting and see what that does. Whoa, and you can see like it is just so bright. It actually doesn't do it a whole lot of justice in the video, but yeah, it is just insanely bright. It's incredible. So let's go through a couple of the other settings that it has. So can't really see the low setting, but this is going to be more of your medium, kind of medium high, and then the highest, just to give you an example of the different options that it has. So we'll do that again. That's going to be the low. It's be more of like the medium high, and then of course the highest setting. So pretty incredible. Hey guys, so as you can see from our outdoor test last night in my backyard, this thing packs a pretty powerful punch, right? Now I will say there are a couple of features that are a little bit hard to get used to, like the clicking is a little bit hard to get used to. I will go through that, but man, it's just up to 650 lumens, just a fantastic product for such a small product, right? I mean, about the size of my pinky, as you can see, and great just for everyday carry. Now, I know you might say, Jeremy, why would you everyday carry a flashlight? Well, that's a great question. I've used it in a couple different situations recently. Like for instance, I dropped my phone in my car down the side of the seat, and I was able to use it in there. My daughter, she had her earrings in my backpack. We couldn't find them, so I used it for that. I get up super early, and I have 3 levels in our house, but I don't want to turn on necessarily the light that goes down the stairs, because that might wake up my kids. So I can use this and really not bug my kids, or if I need to find something in the middle of the night, if I drop something, I'm not turning on the light to wake up my wife. So lots of different uses for this, especially if you're an avid outdoorser. If you are going on a hike, and let's say that the hike takes longer than you expected, it gets a little dark, this doesn't really weigh that much, and it's also not hard to carry. So you can definitely carry this with you and use it if you get into that kind of situation. So lots of good situations for it. Now, getting to some of the clicks, right? So there are a couple of different things. So in order to use the highest one, if you just want to use it really quickly, you can hold this down. It's going to be the highest setting. I don't know. I don't want to like blind you guys, but anyways, now you can double click it and it will stay on, and then you can kind of go through the settings, right? So you have moonlit, which is 0.5 lumens, low, which is 25 lumens, medium, which is 200, and then high, which is 650. Okay. And then if you want to turn it off from there, you just hold it down and it will turn off. There's also one more feature I'm going to kind of go over. It's the strobe feature. So if you click it 3 times quickly, it will do the strobe feature, which, is definitely helpful if you're in trouble, if you're on the side of the road, if you've broken down, those type of things, really helpful for you. Now, some of the cool things about it, of course, maximum brightness, the lumens is 650, like I talked about. The beam distance can go up to 360 feet, which for something that's this small is pretty fantastic, right? The battery can last 70 minutes on a full charge, and it does have a USB-C where you just basically put your fingernail in there, you open it up, you put the USB-C to charge the battery that's inside. The weight is 0.81 ounces, so not even an ounce. And it's very small. Waterproof rating is for the IPX6. You have 4 different lighting modes. Now, it does have a really premium grade build. It's aluminum, so it's not like plastic or rubber like some of the other flashlights I've had. And the button on it is now also metal instead of rubber, which is awesome. So definitely better, for that, that tactile metal switch. It has magnetic mounting, which is awesome. And then accidental activation protection. So featuring a dedicated 5-click lockout mode to keep the light from turning on in your pocket. Some of the cons or some things I don't like, this clip can fall off in your pocket kind of easily. So if you have it clipped on the outside, you could potentially lose a flashlight. So there's that. I also didn't like the fact that I can't make it, more instead of like where it's a very broad range, kind of bring it in by, turning something. So, there's that part of it. The battery's integrated, so you can't replace it. So whatever you have on your charge is what you have. So again, kind of going back to a hike, if it's going to be 70 minutes in the dark, that's all you got, and then you're in the dark. So something to kind of think about there. And then the user interface kind of learning curve on just the different clicks, can be a little tricky. So, there's that aspect of it. But outside of that, I love this product so much. So thankful that my cousin Chad purchased it for me. So thank you so much for that gift, Chad. Really appreciate it. And yeah, so if you like the content we're putting out for you, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, know when we're coming out with new content. And we will see you in the next one. But really appreciate you guys. So thank you so much.